Hi everyone, my name is Jen Antunes and welcome to my channel where I come on here to share with you my passion for all things beauty. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag. Yes, it came in. Now if you watched my video last month, then you know I was not very impressed. So I am hoping that this month is going to be better. Now for those of you who don't know, Ipsy Glam Bag is a monthly beauty subscription where you can receive 5 deluxe samples for $12 a month. Each month there will be a theme, and this month's theme is Force of Nature. Now each month your bag will be personalized for you based on the short quiz that you complete when you sign up, as well as the reviews that you do each month on the products that you receive. Also, the month before you will be able to choose one of the products in your bag. Now let's get into my April Glam Bag and see what I got. Right, so as you can see, I have not opened it yet. This is what the bag looks like. It's cute. Now, as I said, there is a card that comes with it. It lets you know about that month's theme. Oh, and this month they did add the products. Last month they didn't add the products to the card, so this month they did. So much better. So when you open up the card, you'll see your list of your products. Gives you information about each of the products, as well as a beauty tip on how to use the products. And on the back, it kind of lets you know what's going on with Ipsy. And next month is the Khloe Kardashian collab. Who else is excited to get it? I know I'm excited. I am fingers crossed. I am going to get the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I'm going to put the card right here on my desk and let's get into it. The first bag, and it is the Hey Honey Boosted Up Honey Rich Moisturizer. It says it's all day long lasting nourishment and hydration. So is this a face cream or a body cream? Alright, so on the card it says, get ready to glow. This luxurious cream plumps, brightens, and moisturizes to give dry, dull-looking skin a dewy, luminous look. Plus, it's infused with honey to minimize redness and inflammation. So this is a face cream. And the full-size version of this is retailed at $51. Has anyone tried this out? If so, let me know what your thoughts were on it. Okay, so the next item is Serum Kind Facial Serum. Ooh, I'm getting a lot of skincare this month. So this is what the box looks like. Ooh, it's such a little kitty. So this is an award-winning serum that contains the perfect combination and concentration of cruelty-free ingredients like black tulip extract, niacinamide, and ceramides to strengthen your skin's protective barrier for a soft, supple feel. Woo, I really want to try this out. This sounds really, really good. This actually sounds like a perfect serum to use in the springtime when, you know, normally most of us, I know for me, this is when my skin tends to start acting up because it doesn't know what season it is. So it doesn't know whether it's supposed to be dry or if it's supposed to be oily. So I get to struggle with both issues right now. And I have to say, from what it sounds like, what is in here, it is going to help with all of them. So I am definitely going to be trying this out. The retail price for the full-size version of this is $53. See, the next item is, looks like another moisturizer. Ooh, this is an under eye cream. So this is a Feel 4D Hyaluronic Acid Under Eye Cream. I have been looking to add a under eye cream for my nighttime skincare routine. So I'm definitely interested in trying this out. So it says, no more tired eyes. This multitasking eye cream uses flower extracts to minimize dark circles. Hello, my biggest issues with my under eye area. plus moisturizing squalane, hopefully I said that right, and 4 types of hyaluronic acid to create a smoothing and plumping effect that's both instant and long-lasting. Ooh. I am definitely interested in trying this out in my skincare routine. So the full-size version of this is retailed at $45. Okay, getting a lot of skincare this month. Eye primer. I believe I had picked this. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mini Eye Primer. I've actually never tried her eye primer. There's probably only maybe 2 or 3 products I've actually tried from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is more on the expensive end of makeup. So that is why I picked this, because I really wanted to try it out and see. I have basically found only like 2 eyeshadow primers that I like. So I'm always looking for other options, because you never know, things could get discontinued. Like my Wet n Wild one, like I have to struggle to find it around in my local area. So like I said, I'm always looking for alternative. Usually I prefer a more affordable version, but we'll see if name brand, how it goes. So this says, when you spend precious time perfecting our eye looks, we want them to last and last. This water-resistant primer creates a smooth base for your cream, powdered, liquid, or loose pigment shadows to blend on flawlessly and stay put all day. Plus, the light hue makes colors pop. Ooh, this is going to be actually perfect, especially as we're going into the summer months when you tend to sweat more, and our eyelids are actually the oiliest area on our face. So if you are someone who already struggles with oiliness, like, your eyelids are going to be even more oily. I know I struggle, especially in the summertime, with my makeup running on me because of all the sweat and oiliness. So I'm definitely interested in trying this out. Ooh. So the full-size version of that, the retail value is $13. That's actually not that bad for an eyeshadow primer. I don't know why I thought it was so much more. So if I do end up liking it, I'm definitely going to go and pick up a full-size version of that. So last but not least is Milk Kush Mascara. I actually had a Kush Mascara. I'm not sure if this is the same one. I had one before, and I ended up decluttering it in my last one because it got expired. Yeah, the brush looks like the one I had before, but the one I had before was waterproof. I'm not sure if this is waterproof. So this says, no lash left behind. This conditioning mascara is infused with hemp-derived cannabis oil to make your lashes long and lush, and heart-shaped fibers that lock onto lashes for major volume and lift. Plus, the tapered brush has crisscross bristles that coat every last lash. The full-size version of this is $24. Just give me 1 second. Let me make sure. I just want to check to see if I already used. Yeah, so I had tried the waterproof version. This is not the waterproof version. This is the volumizing version. So I did like the waterproof version one. I just ended up decluttering it because it was expired. And, you know, when it comes to my eye makeup, I try not to use any type of products that have expired, especially with mascara and liners. So I will definitely be trying this out. You know me, I love my mascara. I will say I really have been making sure I'm not going overboard with mascara now. I only have 5 mascaras right now, and this will be 6. And I will have to say each mascara gives me a different look. So I'm doing good. Well, that is it. That is everything I got in my April Ipsy Glam Bag. And I will have to say this month was so much better than last month's. My favorite products, I would have to say, the ones I'm like really excited to try out is the under eye cream and the serum. I'm really interested in trying these 2 products out. These are the ones I'm like super excited for. Now, even the other 3, I really enjoy, and I'm actually looking forward to trying out. Like, there's not one product that I'm like upset that I got. I'm gonna actually be using all of the products. So I have to say, Ipsy did a pretty good job this month. Good job there, Ipsy. Well, now it's your turn. What do you think of what I got? If you got Ipsy Glam Bag this month, what did you get in your bag? Let us know in the comments down below. Now, next month, as I said earlier, Ipsy is doing their Ultimate X with Khloe Kardashian. And I will be getting that, so make sure to keep an eye out for that video next month. I'm most likely going to do 2 Ipsy videos like I did in February. One with the Glam Bag and one with the Ultimate X box. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on those videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below. That way you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by clicking that like button. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, remember to be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.